Hello friends, so today we are going to make paneer tikka. So first of all, these are some of the things that we needed for uh, making the paste for the paneer tikka. So first of all, we take some 3.25% curd. So this is, you can see, my sister is mixing right now, and now we have to take the other stuff and mix the whole thing to make the paste for making the paneer tikka. So let's start now the process. So she's adding some more stuff. After this, so now she's adding garlic and some ginger. So this is the paste of garlic and ginger that we are adding in curd, which is 3.20% yogurt. So as you see, she just added that stuff in the curd. Now we have to put some kitchen king masala, or you can easily get it from any grocery store. So this is was what we need for the main spices in that paneer tikka. So she's taking 1 tablespoon of paneer tikka, and so this is kitchen king masala. You can buy it from any grocery stores, it is easily available. And now she is adding some more stuff, so like salt or something. Thing we are adding is some red chili powder. And one thing is that it's not necessary to put the kitchen king masala, it's just option, like it will taste better if you add some more stuff like that. So next thing is kasturi methi. So she's adding some flakes of kasturi methi. So that's what we need the next. And then came the salt. So put according to your own taste, it depends how you like the spicy food. So the next thing we have to add is turmeric powder. So this is the turmeric powder right now. So just add a little bit of turmeric just to give the color to that, and as it has its own taste for this. So now we are adding masala that we need for our making of paneer tikka. So these are all the spices that we need. This is kasturi methi, that all stuff. So now the most important thing is like add some mustard oil, which will give it smoky flavor. So that all, like while eating paneer tikka, just add 2 teaspoons of mustard oil in your this mixture. So this is what we get after adding all the stuff in the curd. So this is the mixture is ready now for the paneer tikka. So we have to apply this mixture on the paneer, or we can say the thing we need for making this whole process. So just apply this thing on paneer tikka. We cut all the vegetables like onions, capsicums, and paneer. So the all stuff we need to make our paneer tikka. So now we are adding these vegetables in the mixture that we have made earlier. So you have to cut this the vegetables in a big size like this, and the paneer like that side. So that will help you to like give better taste. So the paste, when mixed with all this stuff, give you a better taste. So now she is mixing this stuff, and so So now she's adding paneer. That is the main part for this thing. So now she has to mix all the stuff. So you can see she's mixing by her hand, and when the stuff is mixed properly, then you have to put this stuff in on the wooden sticks and just do the next thing after that. So now like one important thing is you have to place this stuff for half an hour, so all the face get mixed in this whole thing. And if you mix with hand, then it will give all the vegetables, like all the vegetables will cover with this mixture in a very good way. So after this you have to place this material for around half an hour. So you have to wait for half an hour. After that you can just crumble all these things on your wooden stick. So you can see since right now, like she just placed all the things in a pan with some mustard oil, so they are now frying. So after that we will get the best ever made tikka, and I will show you how they look like.